welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And StatCounter gave, of course, some numbers for the month of March of the web browsers, the most popular web browsers. And here's the countdown. So this is for PC. Does not count mobile devices, really just PCs. And, well, Chrome, of course, no surprise, 67.3%. But Edge has moved on, even though it is a very small Edge. Well, I'm going to say it like that. To the second most popular browser. But as you see here, the second most popular browser is very far from Google Chrome. So Chrome, 67.3%. Edge is now at 9.65, just ahead of Safari, that's 9.56. Then we have Firefox, 7.57, and then followed by Opera, 2.8, and Other, and that's a mix of different browsers, just to tell you how browsers like Brave don't really catch up, and there's reasons for that. It's interesting to see Edge. I mean, it's very small increments, but every month it's been catching up slowly. And it is the browser that's in your computer with Windows 10 and Windows 11. And I wonder if people don't really, care about what browser they're using, if over time Edge could become actually much more popular. And that's an interesting aspect of it. But I'm going to have a little video talking about Edge next, where we're going to talk about what people, what I like, because I use it, but also what people are starting to complain about. Because since its deployment as a Chromium-based browser, of course, there was some good stuff in there. But lately, there's some stuff that people are just not sure they want to have. And there's a mix in there that we're going to talk about. So, of course, a lot of people, I see the comments all the time of people saying, well, I don't understand why people are using Chrome, no privacy, no. Yeah, but people are not there. And that's the other thing you got to remember. People are not there at all. People just want to have something that, goes on the internet. They don't care about the rest. It's not even in their mind of what snooping can be done or whatever in these things. And Chrome, being a Google product, definitely will use all its possibilities, because Google, let's face it, is a ad company. It's for selling ads, making money with ads everywhere. So it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out, and how Edge is able to slowly get some market share. Could it become, 15, 20, 25% of the market? Remember, there was an era where Internet Explorer was a dominant browser, came with Windows. I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see what could be possible. But we're going to have a video talking about Edge and what we like and what we don't like, and what we would like to see in the future. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.